highly interactive services such as augmented reality, virtual reality, or holography-based ones, services known as XR, as you know, they're becoming very popular. Some even see them as the killer application of the 6th generation mobile communication system. Unfortunately, for such kind of collaborative and interactive systems or services requiring live data processing, the hardware and devices that we have nowadays, they are lagging behind. Charity aims to shift the immersive data processing towards the network edges and the cloud, where more processing power will be devoted. And with this, Charity envisions moving from a standalone augmented reality, virtual reality, and holographic system to a fully interconnected and collaborative interactive system, which is obviously built based on the resources of the edge cloud continuum. And for this particular purpose, Charity is working towards designing and developing a suitable orchestration framework that can support us in achieving this vision. Well, Charity is targeting XR services, as I mentioned earlier. And you know, these services, they involve lots of interaction, they demand ultra low latency, they are in need of extremely large bandwidth. This is in addition to huge data processing power. So provisioning such kind of services on third-party edge cloud using a third-party network infrastructure while still maintaining this required quality of service is, in my humble opinion, super challenging. Making these services scale to a high number of concurrent end users while knowing the limited resources of whatever powerful edge cloud we may be having is also another big challenge. So sharing these resources among users and splitting the application, I mean, any kind of XR application to run between low and high latency infrastructures, in my humble opinion, is very important. And this is, all of these define challenges for the Charity consortium. We're hoping to validate the Charity platform by 3 immersive applications. The first one is about real-time holographic applications, such as holographic concerts or holographic meetings. Like instead of the 2D meeting that we have in here, we could have a holographic meeting where you could see me in 3D and I could see you also teleported in 3D. The second set of applications that Charity is aiming for is about immersive virtual tourism and training, such as VR-based medical training or VR-based schooling in general. And the third use case is about mixed reality interactive applications that include collaborative gaming or training for unmanned operations, particularly in the area of aerospace, like training people how to pilot an airplane in an immersive fashion. First of all, I would like to highlight that the consortium consists of partners with diverse expertise. So we have partners with expertise in media codecs, in XR area. Some come from the telco world, some come from with the cloud expertise. So this has been a blessing and a challenge at the same time. A blessing as it has been an opportunity for all the partners to learn from each other. A challenge as it has taken us quite some time till we could understand each other. And at least a big deal has been actually achieved in this regard. So in addition to the efforts spent in understanding each other's expertise, the Charity Consortium has been working on finalizing the architecture of the framework that can support this Charity vision, to support XR services. Research about how to define the architecture, consider the work of different standards as much as possible. We've been also investigating the different tools and open sources that we could use for the possible implementation of the architecture. And we have been also doing some research work on codecs, compression, decompression of XR media streams. And this is in addition to research on the overall orchestration of the compute and network resources, which could come from an edge cloud continuum.